Hi there, George here. Today I will try to grow Bird of Paradise from seed, or another name Strelitzia. Very beautiful plants, and seeds sent by one friend in Australia. Her name is Helena, and very nice. I got these seeds. Thanks so much. I think the seeds are fresh. We will see. So she picked the seeds from me, and that is amazing. I will try to grow them. I will soak them in water for 2 days. After that I will plant them in a paper towel method. So I hope so much they will germinate. So let's do that. And look at those seeds. I think they are fresh. Now we have to remove this thing and put them in water. You will see this one. Just remove them. Careful. So, well done. One is ready. So after I did remove this thing from the seed, I put them on this glass and put water and will stay 2 days. I will change the water once, and let's do that. So well done, look at the seeds, they are on the bottom of the glass. That's good. It means that seeds are fresh. So wait 2 days. So has been 2 days, now I have to squeeze the water and plant the seeds there in the paper towel method, as I said, and hope the seed will germinate. Maybe it will germinate hard, but I will wait, and let's do that. Look at the seeds, they're doing good. Now we have to plant them there, and let's do that. Now let's just spray a little bit, and we will close this bag. I will place them in one place and hope they will germinate. So ready, if they will germinate, I will make video update, so stay tuned. And hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and comment if you want, and subscribe to my channel. I'm George, and see you next time. Bye bye.